Okay, guys, 2025 is about to come to an end, and we are already looking at 2026 in front of us. So it is important for us to get prepared for the year 2026. And one of the things which you can do in the year 2026 that can help you to improve your financial status in the year 2026 is for you to learn a skill. Okay, and one of the skills which I believe you can learn right now within the comfort of your home is the Forex trading skills. Okay, and this is very important. The Forex trading skills is very important because there are a lot of opportunities for you to grab within the Forex market. You can make a lot within the Forex market, but that is if you know how to go about it. If you have the right skill set, and of course you have the right trading tools to help you with it, this will help you out to know how to go about it, how to take advantage of the market, and how you can use it for yourself in the year, to improve your financial status in the year 2026. A quick warning, guys. If you do not take your time to develop or to improve your forex trading skills, you are most likely to lose all your money. That can be a trap for you. As juicy as the market, as the forex market is, it can also be a trap for you to lose all your money. So that is why you need to learn the art of trading this forex market, and of course know how to go about it. Get the right trading tools so that you can get the best out of it. So guys, before I go fully into what we have right here, I want you first of all to sit tight, get a notebook and of course a pen, so that you will get more information from this particular video that will help you to get started very well in the year 2026, because I'm going to be revealing to you everything that worked for me in this year 2025 for me and my team, so that you too can also benefit from it. So before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. If you love this content and you have any question about it, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go back into what we have right here. Like I said, one of the skills which you should learn in preparation for 2026 is the forex trading skills. Okay, and it is an important skills which you can actually learn even from the comfort of your home. Okay, and there are trading tools out there that can also help you to learn very fast. Okay, even you don't need to waste so much time analyzing the asset before you know the direction of the asset or what you should go for whenever you are trading. So quickly, I'm just going to be checking out some of the things which I have been using in this 2025. Okay, and if you have been following up with my videos, the best trading tool or trading strategy which I have been using so far is the trend trading strategy. And if you are in my team, you will notice that we made, this particular strategy actually helped us to make a lot within the forex market in the year 2025. And what does this strategy mean? Okay, it means that you trade on a particular trend for a very long time. For instance, this particular asset actually got to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, the first thing we try to check is if it's going to break out from this resistance zone, because if it will break out from there, it will keep on buying. Okay, but as you can see, it was unable to break out from there, so it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. How do I know? Normally, since it is not breaking out, then it will switch into the other direction. Okay, but how do we know if this is going to switch fully? As you can see, this trading tool called custom made indicator, when it was on uptrend, it was showing us this yellow flag. Okay, so since it's unable to break out above it, it took its time to see if it's the market will still go back to breakout, but it didn't break out. So you can see it now switch from a yellow flag into a red flag at this point. So this means that this is going to sell. Okay, so what do we need to do? We all just need to follow this red arrow. Okay, the red arrow signifies that we should sell. So this is coming from a major resistance zone. This is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we are also getting a sell signal. I think the sell signal is very, very strong at this point. So at that point, what do we need to do? We just need to set up our order at this point, set up our stop loss somewhere here, and of course, we trade, okay, within this trend. This is 15-minute time frame, and if you should notice, these had been in profit. If you had come in where the arrow came out from, you would have been in a lot of profit because this will have given you 23,946 points. Okay, the only thing that is delaying more profit is the support zone that is here. Okay, and once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more. Now let's move on to other assets. Okay, we can see that this trading strategy actually works. It is the trend trading strategy. Okay, check out this. Okay, at this point, right here is a support region. It was unable to break out below it. So the market switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. You can see from the red color into the yellow color, and it gave us a blue arrow at this point, which means you can go in here and buy. Okay, and as you can see, we actually threw out a signal in the Telegram channel. For those that are in the Telegram channel, this is our entry point, and we set our stop loss. And check it out, guys, check it out. This actually gave us a lot of profit. Okay, we bought till it got to this region. That is it. That is 69,768 points. So you can see that once you learn a good trading strategy and you also have a trading tool, a very good trading tool that can help you or assist you to analyze better, then you are most likely to make profit with it. Okay. And the beautiful thing about it is that apart from giving you entry points here, it can also give you more entry points. You can see here is another entry points which you can add to it if you have more capital, and here is another one, and all the three will give you profit at the end of the day. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, now let's look at what the chart is giving us right now. You can see it sold till it got to this region, and it started buying again, and it is buying right now. So if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it will switch into a downtrend. Okay, and of course it will sell and try to break out from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is what we should be expecting from there today. Okay, so now let's move on to Paynex 1200. You can see this is just too beautiful. When the market is on uptrend, you buy. When the market is on downtrend, you sell. It is as simple as that. This got to the resistance zone and it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, gave us a sell signal, and you can see it is selling, guys. It is selling just the way we have seen it. It is selling and it is still selling. This has already given us 21,391 points already. Okay, so that's so amazing. And of course, right now, the current situation of this is that it is still selling. Okay, that is Paynex 1200. Now let's check out Paynex 999. I'm trying to show you how juicy this particular trading strategy is. So you just need to learn it, practice it over and over till you are able to perfect it. Once you perfect it, then you can now go over to the real account and try it out. So far you are using a very good risk management system, then you are good to go. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this has been an uptrend right from here. There are major pullbacks in between, but it's still on uptrend. Okay, right now it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it should break out above, it's going to buy more because it is still trying to push on uptrend. But if it is unable to break out from there, then we are most likely to have it switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we should experience more selling opportunity when that happens. Okay, well, it is yet to happen, so for now it is still on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check it out with other assets. Okay, I'm going to check it out with FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80, just for you to know that this trading strategy really works very well. This actually was on downtrend before, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So he tried it out several times, it was unable to break out from there. Just the way we have seen it, it got there at this point, tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't push too far, came back down to see if it break out from the same support zone. It was unable to break out from there. So when it played around there for a while, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. So if you are having this trading tool, I expect you to come in somewhere here where you are the entry points at this point. Set your stop loss at this particular support region and see how you would have made a lot of profit with this. You can see this, guys. You would have made a lot of profits with this. This is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. You can see it's been on uptrend over and over. I remember we actually milked this market and all the TPs have been achieved. Okay, I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. All the TPs have been achieved. This is how I do my analysis. So if you should see me dropping signal, it is very easy for me to achieve this because I follow the trend trading strategy, and of course I have a good trading tool that also use the same strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. I just wait for the trading to for the market to get to either the support zone or the resistance zone. I wait for the market to show if it's going to break out below the support zone or break out above the resistance zone, depending on where the market is. And of course, if it is not breaking out, then I focus on the trading tool. Is it going to switch from the trend it was coming from to the new trend? If it switch into the new trend and I get a trading signal, I pick up my signal, try to highlight possible TPs, and I also set my stop loss below the support or the resistance region. It's below it, okay? And of course, that is all. That is all I do, okay? And that is how I pick my trades too. It is as simple as that. So if for those that are having the trading tool, it's very easy for them to jump into it right here. It was unable to break out from this support region. All you just need to do, wait for it to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. It switch at this point, set your entry point, and of course, put your stop loss somewhere here. Like I said, don't joke with the risk management system, okay? Don't joke with it because the market can still misbehave and try to go back and break out below this support zone, okay? So once you have everything in place, you don't need to be scared of anything. Just allow the market to roll out. It can take some time. Play around. So far, your stop loss have not been, it has, so far the market is yet to get to the stop loss, you are good to go. Okay, so and as soon as you start making reasonable profit, for instance, when the action price got to this region, I'm going to take away the supports, the stop loss from here and move it to lock up some part of my profit. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to teach you that strategy later on in the next video. Okay, so that is very, very important so that you will know how to go about it for a very long time till you get to the end of the trend. Okay, so what is the current situation of FX volume 80 right now? Current situation of FX volume 80 says that the market has already got into this resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. And as you can see, it is now switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. If you are having this trading tool, what are you supposed to do? You come in at this point where the market gave you a trend signal, okay, which is the downtrend signal. And of course, it has given you an entry point, which is the self signal that goes with the current trend, because this is coming from the resistance zone, a major resistance zone already, and it has not been able to break out from there, and you put your stop loss here. So if the market wants to misbehave, it will go back and hit the stop loss and continue with the uptrend. But in this situation, okay, the main thing that we feel that is most likely to happen right now is for this to sell. Okay, but that does not mean it cannot still go back and break out above this stop loss, but it happens once in a while. But right now, it has given us all the clear signal that it should sell and we should follow this. Put your entry order at this point, put your stop loss somewhere here. Probably you should have even put um your first TP at this point if you had entered earlier. Okay, if you had entered at this point, it should have achieved your first TP. Maybe the second order, you can put your TP somewhere here or here and it will sell more. Or probably as the price action is going down, if it gets to this region, you can adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of your profits. Okay, at that stage, you cannot lose again. It will lock up some part of your profit, even if the market will misbehave and go back the other way around. It will get to your lockup stage and take you away from the market with your profit going into your wallet. Don't worry, that is going to be another discussion. I mean, a new topic for another day. So we're going to discuss that together. Okay. So you guys should understand that and take advantage of this. So I actually did a full training video on how you can make use of the trend trading strategy and even this trading tool. You can check my channel and see how you can put this into use, how you can learn and put this into use so that you can get the best out of it. Okay. And of course, guys, if you um learn this and you want to know more about it, probably you have more question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Or probably you want to know more about this trading tool or how you too can get it and set it up on your charts. Okay, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. I will explain to you how you can get it, and of course I will assist you to set it up on your own chart so that you too can know how to go about it. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Stay tuned with my videos. I will come up with more videos on how you can get yourself prepared for 2026. But for now, I will be stopping right here. You can join my Telegram channel. I will be dropping more updates within the Telegram channel, and will also be dropping free signals for you guys in the Telegram channel so that you guys can take advantage of it. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.